In previous videos, we've briefly touched on external controllers. Your Naked system may be connected to an automation system, giving you remote control of your pool, spa, lights and other features. In this video, we're going to guide you on the two options on setting up your Naked system, both depending on the pool's environment and use. Before you get started, make sure the system has 24 hours of dedicated power during the initial startup to fully complete the startup process. Once completed, you can now set up the control unit to the external controller. Option 1 is the typical setup for most pools with automation. You may want to take note of what the default total runtimes are that are set in the Naked system by default before making further changes. On your control unit, press the clock timer button, then press the plus button until you see External Control, then select OK. The control unit will be set to On mode and will show EX on the main DDS screen rather than T1 or T2 in the top right corner. Auto does not work when the external control option has been set. You can now set the timers within the external controller to the required runtime for your pool size. If your unit doesn't have this menu option, you will need to change from a dual cycle to a single cycle timer and change the on-off timers to 0000. If all the timers are not set to 0000, the unit will switch from on back to auto when the next timer is set to start. Remember to set the timers in the external controller to the required runtime for your pool size and to ensure the power mode is now in on and not auto. Simple. If the pump is not plugged directly into the Naked but into the external controller, it must always run when the Naked system is on, starting 5 to 10 minutes before the Naked system comes on and stopped 5 to 10 minutes after the Naked system is off. Also, the oxy-cell will always be producing when the unit is running, so you may need to reduce the oxy output to avoid high chlorine levels in your pool. Option 2 is recommended for indoor or plunge type pools. On your control unit, make sure you're in the dual cycle timer. Change Timer 2's on time and off time to match Timer 1's off time and on time respectively. Now that Timer 2 starts right when Timer 1 ends and Timer 1 starts when Timer 2 ends, the system is running in auto mode for 24 hours for whenever the controller wants to turn on or off the pump. This represents the unit as being always on, but is only producing chlorine during the T1 setting. Therefore, it is very important that the controller is synced to turn the Naked system on during Timer 1, at least to ensure the pool is sanitised. Your builder or installer has the knowledge to do all this. However, if you're unsure, you can refer to the installation guide provided or contact us and we will be happy to assist. Any more questions? Check out our resources on the Naked Pool app or give our team a call. Otherwise, enjoy your crystal clear freshwater pool.